Hey everyone, the Ulefone Tab A10 Pro, the latest addition to Ulefone's tablet lineup, strikes a fine balance between sleek design, solid performance, and affordability. Designed as an extension of the Ulefone Tab series, the A10 Pro aims to deliver high-quality features while remaining budget-friendly, making it a strong contender in the competitive tablet market. At just 7.8 millimeters thick, the Tab A10 Pro is remarkably portable, catering to users who value mobility. Its body, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, not only ensures lightweight convenience, but also provides the durability required for everyday use. The unibody design enhances its resilience while maintaining a modern and elegant appearance, suitable for both personal and professional settings. The tablet features a 10.1-inch HD Plus display, providing a harmonious balance between compactness and functionality. The HD Plus resolution ensures sharp, vibrant visuals, making it an ideal companion for streaming, browsing, and productivity tasks. Whether you're editing documents or catching up on your favorite shows, the Tab A10 Pro offers an engaging visual experience. Adding to its entertainment credentials, the Widevine L1 certification allows users to stream HD content on popular platforms like YouTube, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+. Immersive audio further enhances the experience, making it perfect for enjoying movies, music, and TV shows. Under the hood, the Ulefone Tab A10 Pro is powered by the MT8786 octa-core chipset, delivering smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding tasks. Whether gaming, creating content, or juggling multiple apps, the tablet ensures lag-free performance. Its internal hardware is complemented by up to 12 gigs of RAM, providing ample headroom for multitasking, while 128 gigs of internal storage offers plenty of space for apps, files, and media. For users with even larger storage needs, the tablet supports micro SD cards of up to 1 terabyte, sold separately. To further enhance the user experience, Ulefone has designed a range of optional accessories for the Tab A10 Pro. These include a TPU back case for everyday protection, a stylish smart book cover to shield the tablet from damage, and a tempered glass screen protector for added durability. For those looking to use the tablet in vehicles, the Armor Attachment Max turns it into a reliable GPS navigation device. These accessories, sold separately, expand the tablet's versatility and cater to diverse user preferences. Staying true to Ulefone's tradition of offering cost-effective devices, Tab A10 Pro is expected to be accessible to a wide range of consumers. While exact release date is yet to be confirmed, prospective buyers can stay updated by visiting Ulefone's official website for further details. With its blend of performance, style, affordability, Ulefone Tab A10 Pro stands out as a well-rounded tablet suited for a variety of needs. Whether for work, play, or on-the-go productivity, this tablet offers a compelling option for those seeking value without compromise. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.